InsLemon Patch is marketed as a simple stick-on weight loss solution that supposedly burns fat, suppresses appetite, and helps you lose weight effortlessly. But the real question is, are the claims actually real or just another overhyped slimming patch? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly used in slimming patches, like caffeine, green tea extract, or herbal stimulants, may provide mild appetite or energy effects for certain people. What it does well: convenient to use. Patches are easy to apply and appeal to people who dislike pills or powders. May slightly reduce appetite for some users. Depending on the ingredients, some people could notice mild appetite suppression or increased energy, where the hype completely falls apart. There is little proof the patch itself causes major fat loss. This is the biggest issue. Most slimming patches lack strong clinical evidence showing meaningful weight reduction. Fat does not magically disappear through the skin. Real fat loss still depends mostly on calorie balance, nutrition, activity, sleep, and consistency. The marketing is usually heavily exaggerated. Ads often imply effortless rapid weight loss without dieting or exercise, which is unrealistic. So, are InsLemon Patch weight loss claims real or fake? Short answer: mostly exaggerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.